The internet is talking about GPT-5. OpenAI has announced that we'll be seeing GPT-5 in 2024. And in today's video, I want to share my honest opinion on whether or not you can make $100 an hour with GPT-5. It is no secret that GPT-4 is very capable. In fact, I made over $30,000 with GPT-4 in 1 month. So if you don't believe me, check my bio on social media where you'll be able to find more information. I think that earning $100 per hour with GPT-4 right now is actually very possible, but with GPT-5, I think it's going to get even easier. Now, before we continue, I want you to smash up that like button, and I also want you to subscribe if you haven't done so already. By doing this, you're going to be supporting this channel and helping us grow. Thank you so much for doing that. Now let's continue. So there are several ways that people are currently making money with GPT-4. And with GPT-5 coming out, I think it will be much easier to do this. The first way is by creating prompts and selling them. For example, a lot of people have been creating prompts to help other people generate images with Midjourney. These prompts are being sold on platforms such as Etsy, and people are making a lot of money doing this. However, when GPT-5 releases, I think this is going to become a little bit harder because GPT-5 is going to be able to create really good prompts on its own. So you're not necessarily going to need to buy prompts anymore. But if you're really good at creating prompts and you know how to create really good ones, then I think you'll still be able to make money with this method. The next way that people are making money with GPT-4 is by offering services to businesses. For example, a lot of people are offering to help businesses write copy for their websites or create marketing materials. And these are just some examples of the services that people are offering. If you're good at writing and you know how to market your services, then I think you'll be able to make money with this method. The third way that people are making money with GPT-4 is by creating content. For example, a lot of people are using GPT-4 to create videos and articles, and then they're posting this content online and they're making money from ads. This is probably one of the harder ways to make money with GPT-4, but if you're good at writing and you know how to create content that people actually want to read, then I think you can make money with this method. And the fourth way that people are making money with GPT-4 is by selling digital products. For example, a lot of people are using GPT-4 to create templates, and then they're selling these templates on platforms like Etsy. This is probably one of the easiest ways to make money with GPT-4, but it can also be one of the most competitive. If you're looking to sell digital products, then I recommend finding a niche that isn't as saturated. So what are some of the ways that you can use GPT-5 to make money? Well, I think that all of the ways that people are currently using GPT-4 to make money will still be relevant in 2025 when GPT-5 releases. However, I think that GPT-5 will make it much easier to do this. For example, with GPT-5, you'll be able to create even better prompts for Midjourney, which means that you'll be able to sell even better prompts on Etsy and make even more money. Or you could use GPT-5 to create even better copy for businesses, which means that you could charge even more for your services. Or you could use GPT-5 to create even better content, which means that you'll be able to make even more money from ads. And finally, you could use GPT-5 to create even better templates, which means that you'll be able to sell them for even more money. One of the best things about GPT-5 is that it's going to be even more powerful than GPT-4. And this means that you'll be able to do all of the things that I just talked about even better. Another great thing about GPT-5 is that it's going to be more accessible than GPT-4. This means that more people will be able to use it to make money. However, I do think that the people who will be successful with GPT-5 are the people who are already making money with GPT-4. The reason why I think this is because they already know how to use GPT-4 to make money. They already have experience with it and they already know how to market their services. So if you're serious about making money with GPT-5, then I recommend starting now. Learn how to use GPT-4 to make money and gain some experience. Don't wait until GPT-5 releases to start learning. If you want to be one of the first people to make money with GPT-5, then you need to start now. Now I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on GPT-5? Do you think that it's going to be a game changer? Let me know in the comments below. Also, if you want to learn more about GPT-4 and how you can use it to make money, then definitely check out the video that I have linked in the description. I think that you'll find it helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you're serious about making money with AI, then you need to keep watching because there's something else that you need to know. I know you've heard it over and over again, but ChatGPT is not going away. In fact, ChatGPT is here to stay and it's only going to get bigger. This means that there is a huge opportunity for you to make money with it right now. In the last year alone, people have built multi-million-dollar companies using ChatGPT, and I know that you want in on this. That's why I created the ChatGPT Business Blueprint. With this blueprint, I'm going to show you exactly how to use ChatGPT to create a business that can generate consistent profits. This includes everything from picking a profitable niche to creating products that people actually want to buy. Here's what you're going to get access to. First, you'll get access to my private Facebook group where I'm going to be providing ongoing support and guidance as you work through the blueprint. This is an amazing opportunity for you to get help from me directly, as well as from other members of the group who are also on their own AI journey. Next, you'll get access to my one-on-one mentorship program. With this, you'll be able to schedule calls with me where you can ask me any questions that you have about the blueprint or about AI in general. I'm here to help you succeed, so please don't hesitate to reach out if you need anything. Finally, you'll get access to my private Discord server. This is where you'll be able to chat with me and other members of the community in real time. It's a great place for you to get support, ask questions, and connect with other AI entrepreneurs. Now I know you're probably wondering what makes my blueprint different from all the other courses out there on the market. Well, first of all, this is not a one-size-fits-all course. Instead, it's a step-by-step guide that will teach you exactly how to use ChatGPT to create a business that works for you. We'll also be covering advanced strategies that you won't find in any other course. Plus, I'm here to provide ongoing support and guidance as you work through the blueprint. Most courses simply don't offer that. So if you want to learn how to use ChatGPT to create a profitable business, then this blueprint is for you. And remember, this offer won't be around forever, so act now and start building your future today.